Hi guys, it's Amel Marjani and I'm just giving you an update. I am surviving my first snowstorm in New York City. And it hasn't been that bad because I have not had to go outside. The thing that I've been doing is I've been working on a website, www.amelmarjani.com. And the website's about my first cosmetic line that will be released March 21st, 2014. I've been working on this line for 14 years, since I've been in middle school, and I have finally got it together at 25 to actually be able to release it to the public. There's 3 products. So the first product is called Bahari's face cleanser, and what I love about it, it has a lot of ingredients from sea vegetables, which are high in nutrients and minerals, and it helps with anti-aging, dark spots, radiation, sun damage. I'm really excited. We're coming out with the toner under the Bahari line, but also a moisturizer that can be compared and even better than La Mer, because like it has a huge potency of seaweed, but it doesn't have all the toxins and petrochemicals and parabens and fillers. So I'm really excited. So I worked on the website, which was ironic because I thought I was going to have to pay all this money to do a website for this line. But my friend ended up telling me about Wix, which helped me develop an amazing line. And so in a couple of hours, I was able to release the website. So shout out to Wix. I appreciate it. Okay, guys, I'm checking in. Bye-bye.